Hi guys! I have some big exciting news! I have done my very first ever e-course. Yes, I'm so excited. I've wanted to do this for so long. It's been a bucket list of mine, a bucket list wish of mine, and I'm so excited to bring it to you. Not only that, I have invited one of my good friends, Kat Hamilton, who is a brilliant artist, to be part of this e-course with me. The two of us have spent a long time, worked really hard to make this magical course. There'll be 4 projects total, and the name of the course is called Bohemian Summer. Bohemian Summer. Magic, right? Okay, so I jumped in. I wanted to share this video with you because I wanted to update you guys. I kept it hush-hush because I wanted to surprise you. So if you click that link, actually the link is up there. If you click the link and join in, you get an early bird pricing right now. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you to see this project. It launches in August. Early bird sales are going on right now, so stay tuned. Thanks for being here, guys. I can't wait to play with you. Bye.